Struggling with what to give people this holiday season? Today I'm sharing 10 gifts you can sew this weekend, plus I'll reveal a free pattern at the end that makes the ultimate last-minute gift. Whether you're looking for something special for your crafty friends, practical gifts for the home, or wearable pieces that work for absolutely everyone on your list, these projects are all designed to be quick wins that still feel incredibly meaningful to receive. Let's start with gifts for your fellow makers. You know, the people who understand why you have dedicated storage for every type of elastic and 3 different seam rippers. Gift 1, a scissor keeper. If you've ever watched a fellow sewer panic when their good scissors go missing, you know exactly why this is such a thoughtful gift. Sewing scissors are prized possessions. We want to protect those blades from damage when they're in our sewing bags, plus it helps keep track of them. There's a fantastic tutorial on Sew Simple Home that shows you how to make a case to keep your favorite scissors safe while traveling to craft shows or events. This project takes about 30 minutes and makes perfect use of all those fabric scraps you probably already have laying around. What I love about this design is the multiple pockets, so it can hold shears, duckbills, and snips all in one organized package. For fabric, I'd recommend canvas or heavy cotton for durability, with a coordinating cotton for the lining. You could even add some batting between the layers for extra protection. Gift 2, pattern weights. Anyone who's tried to pin a pattern to slippery fabric knows how absolutely game-changing these are. They're a quick sew and take so little fabric that you can practically make them from scraps. Hello Sewing has this amazing tutorial that shows you that pattern weights are a fun and quick project, and you end up with such a useful product. With their tutorial, you'll learn how to make fabric weights in a matter of minutes. Honestly, this is one of the projects that feels almost too easy for how incredibly useful the finished result is. Make a set of 8 to 12 so they have enough for larger pattern pieces, because once someone starts using pattern weights, they want them for everything. Put them in a matching drawstring bag for a complete gift. The Seamwork Ollie bag pattern has a couple different sizes that are perfect for this. Gift 3, project bags. Crafters are always looking for better ways to keep their works in progress organized, which is why project bags make such perfect gifts. The Cassidy Bag Caddy was designed to go inside larger purses and totes, but it would make an incredible project bag on its own too. It features inner and outer pockets, perfect for keeping all those notions neat and tidy. Cassidy is designed for heavyweight felt fabrics, but you can get creative with fun colors, contrasting top stitching, or even try block printing for something really unique. Another project bag option is a reversible tote bag. This is so versatile because the reversible feature means your recipient can switch up the look depending on their mood or what they're carrying. I use them for my works in progress and to take stuff back and forth to my sewing shed all the time. I have to have at least 3 just for my sewing. There's a tutorial on our channel that shows you how to design and draft this tote using any 2 pieces of fabric from your stash. Gift 4. Craft case. The Ari pattern is technically designed for jewelry and cords, but here's why I love it for crafters. It works perfectly for knitting needles, crochet hooks, or embroidery floss. Those individual slots and tabs keep everything neat and visible, which any organization lover will absolutely appreciate. What makes this extra thoughtful is how travel-friendly it is. It rolls up compact for classes or crafting on the go. You can even adjust the pocket sizes based on what they craft with most, which shows you really thought about their specific needs. I'd recommend canvas or heavyweight cotton for durability with a coordinating cotton lining. The contrast between the outer and inner fabrics make this feel really special and custom made. Now let's move on to gifts for the home. Whether they're focused on sustainability, love organizing, or just want their space to feel more intentional, these handmade gifts make daily routines feel special. Gift 5, canvas wall organizer. Everyone needs better organization, and wall organizers work in any room. Craft room, kitchen, office, or entryway. Canvas or duck cloth gives you excellent structure, but you could use a beautiful home decor fabric for something more decorative. The installation is so much easier than putting up shelves, and renters especially appreciate that. Choose colors that match their existing decor, and you've created something that's both functional and beautiful. There's a great tutorial on Sewing Times called DIY Hanging Organizer that shows you how to make one with generous half-circle baskets that can hold all kinds of things. They add interfacing to Oxford fabric to make it really durable. We'll link all these tutorials down below. Gift 6, reusable flannel paper towels and cosmetic rounds. The timing couldn't be better for this gift since so many people are trying to reduce waste, and these make it actually convenient to use reusables. Once people try reusable paper towels, they'll never go back. They're so much more absorbent and cost efficient than disposables. The smaller rounds make a great alternative for cosmetic wipes or cotton pads too. Cotton flannel is perfect for this project. The softness and absorbency is exactly what you're looking for, and this is definitely one of those projects where batch sewing makes sense. You can cut multiples at once and then serge all the edges assembly line style for maximum efficiency. Here's where you can create something really functional. Remember that Ollie drawstring bag I mentioned earlier? It works perfectly as a wash bag. Make a couple so they have a complete system for storing clean ones and washing dirty ones. Package them in the wash bag with a little card explaining how to care for them, and you've created a gift that keeps giving. Gift 7, the Alex apron. Aprons are perfect for anyone who cooks, but they're also incredible for gardeners, artists or anyone with messy hobbies. The Alex apron offers a classic utilitarian design that's perfect for crafting, cooking, and making a mess. Alex comes in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it features a roomy front patch pocket, adjustable neck strap, and a tied waist. What I love about sewing aprons is how you can express personality through fabric choice. So a stylish version in linen for someone who appreciates elegant simplicity, use denim for a traditional workwear look, or make a real statement with printed canvas that reflects their personality or interests. The beauty is in choosing something that reflects their personal style while being completely practical for their daily activities. Now let's talk about wearable gifts. What I love about wearable gifts is that every time the person puts it on, they think of you. These are pieces that work for almost anyone on your list and can easily become cherished pieces in their wardrobe long after the holidays are over. Gift 8, the Elm Robe. A beautiful robe makes anyone feel pampered, and since it's not fitted, you don't need exact measurements, which is absolutely perfect for gift giving. Elm is a timeless, gender-neutral robe designed for easy comfort. It has a straight fit and relaxed silhouette that drapes beautifully in woven fabrics. The timing is ideal for winter, but you can choose your fabric weight based on their climate. A handmade robe really says, I want you to take time for yourself. It's truly a gift of comfort and self-care. Gift 9, the Ryan tee. Ryan is the ultimate t-shirt, and here's why it makes such a great gift. With gender-neutral drafting, this tee has 2 versions with mix and match details, so you can sew a version that best suits their style. There's an optional chest pocket that's a handy detail for both versions too. Ryan comes together incredibly quickly, but the fit is really refined. It's one of those pieces people reach for constantly because it just feels good on the body. It works beautifully with cotton or bamboo jersey, rib knit, and interlock knit. My strategy for choosing colors is to go with versatile neutrals or colors you know they wear often. A shirt like this becomes one of those wardrobe staples that gets worn until it's completely loved to pieces, which is exactly what you want from a handmade gift. Gift 10, the Hansie top. And here's that free pattern I promised. Hansie, which you can download right now. This woven tee is perfect for gifting because it works for so many different styles and body types. You can literally cut this out and sew it in a few hours, which makes it ideal for those last-minute gift moments we all find ourselves in. It works in everything from cotton lawn for a crisp, structured look to lightweight linen for something more relaxed and flowing. Choose your fabric based on their personal style. That's what makes this gift so thoughtful and intentional. Here's my bonus tip that transforms any of these projects from nice to absolutely special. Presentation matters. Even simple projects feel incredibly special with thoughtful presentation. Add a handwritten note explaining how to care for the item or sharing how you chose the fabric specifically for them. Instead of traditional wrapping paper, try using hemmed fabric yardage, little fabric envelopes, or those drawstring bags we talked about earlier. This becomes a reusable gift wrap that's actually part of the gift, which feels so much more intentional and sustainable. Remember, handmade gifts aren't just about the finished product. They're about the time and thought you put into making something special just for that person. And if you're inspired to create even more meaningful gifts but want to maximize your sewing time, you'll love learning how to batch multiple projects together and transform your fabric stash into presents that can show how much you care. Watch this video next.